one of the oldest churches in the South Central Ghana Conference. The history continues with an English evangelist, Elder Mike Berkey. Headlines for this week. Life Souls Community Seventh-day Adventist Church celebrates its 10th anniversary. Details of these stories and others will be brought to you right after this break. Welcome back from the break. You're reminded you're still watching Hope Adventist News. Life Souls Community Seventh-day Adventist Church of the South Central Ghana Conference on 3rd December 2022 celebrated its 10th anniversary with the theme, A Decade of Grace. I will go, for faithful is he that promised. At the church premises, Anwoma saw high tension in the Oforikrom Municipal Assembly. Given the history of the church, Elder Alfred Amo, one of the pioneers of the church, said, the Life Souls Community Adventist Church Ghana was born out of the Anwomaso Adventist Church, one of the oldest churches in the South Central Ghana Conference. The history continues with an English evangelist, Elder Mike Berkey, from Life Souls Community Church, United States of America, with the support of Pastor Samuel Ajiman, on December 12, 2012, organized a crusade. At the end of the crusade, 20 new converts were baptized into the Adventist Church. Now, the membership of the church stands at 164, with an average adult and children of 75 and 89 respectively. The church was organized on December 13, 2014. Funds were raised for the ongoing church building as part of the celebration, for which an Adventist philanthropist, Mr. Isaac Owusu, CEO of Isaac Books, Washington Pharmacy and Washington Mall, purchased the half plots adjacent to the church building to be added to the church site and used by the church. The church also presented certificates and citations to individuals who had contributed to the church building and the church as a whole. In an interview with Pastor Dr. Samuel Chimensa and Elder Nana Kwarten Amini, this is what they had to say. A report by Nana Gyasi, Kumasi. That is all in this edition, but before we go, let's take another look at our headlines.